Hey, I'm Kendrick. I'm from QT Code Network, and I made Parrot, which leverages Cisco Spark's API to communicate with a drone. And I'll try and do a live demo right now. So it's connected to the drone 5 minutes ago. I don't know if it dropped out. It might have dropped out, but we can test if it should reply. Oh, sweet, okay. And so there's like commands which you can command the drone to do, and so you can type like /fly, should fly, I hope so. You can go forward. You can go backwards.
Good idea.
What? You can go up. I hope it goes up. And you can go down if you want to go down. I hope. That dodgy. Land. Yeah. Yeah, thank you.
Talk to what you've done.
So basically I had a Bluetooth connector that connects to the Parrot drone, and I communicate through Spark API. Every time I send a message, a webhook pings my server, which commands to control the drone, and those are just pre-built commands. Yeah, any questions?
You didn't do a flip.
Well, I could, but yeah. 3 minutes, man.
Well done.